Welcome to another amazing day here at ID Arcade. Today, we'll use this phone to show you how IP protection works for water. The higher the number, the better protected your device. Let's test them out! IP0 No Protection. This means that the device has no protection from water whatsoever. Any water can damage it. So, don't even think about taking this phone with you in the shower. IP1. Light dripping water. Vertically falling water is not a problem for this device, but any water that hits it at an angle could still damage it. IP2. Dripping water when tilted up to 15 degrees. The device resists a little bit of water falling at a slight angle. IP3. Spraying water up to 60 degrees. This means that the device is protected against water that hits it at an angle. IP4. Splashing water. The device resists splashes of water from any direction. IP5. Water jets. The device is protected against low-pressure water jets such as those from a garden hose. IP6. Powerful water jets. The device can withstand powerful water jets in heavy seas. For the next two levels, the higher the number, the better. IP7. Immersion up to 1 meter. For 30 minutes. The device can be safely immersed in water for short durations. IP8. Continuous immersion deeper. The device can handle continuous submersion at depths set by the manufacturer. And finally, IP9K. High pressure, high temperature water jets. This is the highest level of protection and is often used in automotive or industrial devices. We hope that this was helpful. Now you know how water IP ratings work. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to check out our other videos and projects. We have a ton of great stuff that we know you'll love. Until next time, this has been ID Arcade. See ya.